You can't begin learning to ride an adventure bike without having proper bike setup and body positioning. Good body positioning will ensure you the best chance for complete control of your motorcycle and will help you avoid injury down the road. Hey everyone, I'm Marisa with Twisted Throttle, and if you're new here, check out our website at the link below to shop for accessories that fit your bike. While you're here, leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for updates on future products as well as more motorcycle content. Now let's get started talking about tips for body positioning and bike ergonomics. You'll want to stand on the pegs using the balls of your feet for stability. Don't stand on your arches or on your heels. Now you may feel the need to stagger your feet forward and backwards slightly when braking and shifting. You'll want to lean slightly forward to reach the handlebars and keep a slight bend in the knees and elbows to absorb shock when riding over rough terrain. Make sure you stay loose to allow the bike to move underneath you. And as always, keep your head and eyes up, looking in the direction you want to go. Another factor to all of this is positioning your controls correctly. Having your controls adjusted improperly can make it really difficult to maintain proper body positioning. Let's take a look at some of the things that you might need to adjust on your motorcycle before hitting the trail. You want your handlebars to be in line with the forks for more accurate control. This means having the handlebars as close to the center of the upper fork leg as possible. Your clutch and brake lever should be in line with your wrists, elbows, and shoulders. For most people, that means rotating the levers down slightly. The key here is that you want to avoid bending your wrists to reach the levers. This makes it easier to use levers when standing, it's safer for your wrists, and it enables smooth throttle control. Your gear shift and rear brake levers should be slightly higher than on a road bike. You'll want to bring both levers at least level with your toes, if not a little higher. Never keep the levers below your toes, or it'll be difficult to operate while standing. Now you might be wondering if you need handlebar risers, and the answer is probably not. Most people who think they need risers for their bikes really don't. The idea is that you want to have a slight forward bend when riding standing up. Think of it as an athletic or an attack position. A good rule of thumb is that if the measurement from your foot peg to the end of your handlebar is less than half of your overall height, you might want to consider using handlebar risers. But for most people, it's really not necessary. Now that your bike is all set up, you're ready to hit the trail. If you like these quick tip videos, please let us know by liking this video and leaving a comment below.